114 and 35E at this moment, coming up on a couple of the roads you got there, Jeff.
Yeah, we're still looking at Mockingbird, Lemon. That's going to be an area that that we're going to be watching carefully as the storm tracks in the northwestern parts of Dallas. Apparently the tornado has reached back down onto the ground.
And we're all kind of just a little bit in awe that we're watching a tornado right in the western sections of Dallas County. You know, we live in this area where we get tornadoes more than other places in the country. You don't see them every day, obviously, and you don't. I hate to see them when they move anywhere, and especially in the populated areas like here in Dallas that we're seeing at the moment. Stuart, you said that's on the ground. I don't specifically see it. It's in the middle. It's behind one of the buildings. Okay, yeah. It's tough to point out here because we're not seeing the debris because it's on the other side of the buildings. But yeah, if you look closely, and I know Stuart, our producer, had his eyes fixated on this as well. There's a lot of
Holy shit. It is completely still out here, except for the clouds. And the siren stopped.
As it continues to move off to the northeast at around 25 miles an hour. There on your picture right now is Love Field, and it looks like this storm is going to pass on the north side of Love Field if it holds its track.
And it looked like it was back up in the cloud there from a second ago that we've been watching, and we'll paint that. It's back on the ground. There it is. I'm sorry, that looked like it was on the ground. It was just